And welcome. I'm going to be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 9. Find the value of x in the figure above. Value of x in the triangle above. And looking at this triangle, we have the side 10 centimeter and the opposite angle is 30 degrees, and then the side x opposite angle is 60 degrees. Now I have to find the value of this x. Now to find the value of x, we're going to apply the sine rule. Now applying sine rule, which is that a over sine a is equals to b over sine b. Now we have x all over sine 60 is equals to 10 over sine 30. Now from here we can see that x all over sine 60 now is root 3 over 2 is equals to 10 all over sine 30, and sine 30 is 1 all over 2. So from this we can see that x 2x all over 3 is equals to 20 over 1. That is having x divided by root 3 over 2. So this is essentially saying x multiplied by 2 over root 3. So that will give us 2x over root 3 is equals to, then the same thing to apply here, 20 over 1. So that means 2x over root 3 is equals to 20. So therefore 2x is equals to 20 root 3. Now x will be equals to 20 root 3 all over 2. 2 here 1 and 2 in 20 will give us 10. So x is equals to 10 root 3 centimeter, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.